So I love traveling, and I have actually been traveling to do cuddling to see clients for a while. And I realized, you know what? I feel like I'm missing people. I'm missing some of you. Or if I knew like that 10 people wanted to see me in Albuquerque, oh my gosh, I would totally be going to Albuquerque. So I want to make it simple for all of us. I have a form. There's the link. bit.ly, what is it? / Janet Travels, and put in your information, and I will contact you if I'm heading to your city, or maybe if there's enough of you in the same city, I will totally be there, get a hotel, and would love to host all of you for sessions. Now, I recognize we're in a pandemic, and this is still really a scary time for a lot of people. So please take care of yourself. Put in the notes there, like, I'm not available until 2022, whatever it is that you need. Maybe it's like, I can't see you until, I get all of my vaccines, or whatever boundaries you have, I totally respect. So do that, please. And know that I want to be somewhere where I can see you. We can have a session, have multiple sessions, have multiple hours, who knows, have an overnight, whatever, and get you some touch. So please fill out the form. Thank you.